Hi everybody, so welcome back. Now I wanted to bring this to your attention. I was sent these like a little while ago and I totally didn't realize that they now have higher milligram flavors for your pod systems. So they're not salt nic, which I personally do not like salt nic. I don't use them in my pod devices. I actually just use a higher milligram of e-liquid or nicotine, a higher higher milligram of nicotine rather than to use salt nic. So that's just me. But all these flavors, the Sabores del Encanto, all the flavors now come in 12, 18, and 24 milligrams of nicotine. And they come 50-50 VGPG so that they don't clog up your devices. Because the higher or lower the VGPG, sometimes it'll actually wear out your coils a little bit faster. With these, and I have every single one of them. I can't even hold them all because they're all here. You've got the oh my god, the coquito, you've got the café con leche, you've got the pastelillos de guayaba, you've got the cañita de queso, yeah, all the flavors. Any flavor that you want, you can get them at shopenb.com. Just use the coupon code Wendy Vapes, all caps, and you get 15% off. And now you have these flavors for pod and mouth to lung devices, which I'm super excited. Congratulations again, Batman. This is just amazing. So I do want to let you know that you can get any of the flavors. Again, there's 7 flavors. You can get any of them, or you can get all of them if you want. And they are $19.95. And again, you can get the regular 0, 3, and 6 milligrams of nicotine with the regular VGPG, or if you want them for your pod or mouth to lung devices, you can get them in 12, 18, and 24 milligrams 50-50 VGPG. So I just wanted to take a quick moment and let you know about that. So I will see you in the next video. Bye.